Hi everyone! Welcome to TempCoder Tech. I'm rebuilding the channel to bring you more structured and educational content. Today, we're diving deep into mastering two essential PowerShell commands, get command and get help. These are the foundation of any PowerShell journey, so whether you're a beginner or looking to expand your skills, this video is for you. PowerShell is a powerful scripting language and command line shell that's widely used in system administration. Its flexibility and versatility make it ideal for both Windows and Linux environments. Today, we'll start by understanding how to explore PowerShell commands using get command and get help, which will become your go-to tools. Let's begin with get command. This cmdlet allows you to discover all available commands in PowerShell. You can think of it as a search tool that helps you find any command or script that's available in your session. To see this in action, let's run the get command without any parameters. This gives you a list of all cmdlets, functions, aliases, and applications available in your PowerShell environment. But the list can be long, so let's narrow it down by filtering for specific commands. You can filter the results of get command by specifying a name or a wildcard character. For example, if you want to find all commands that start with get dash, you can use. This filters the list to show only the commands that start with get dash. It's a great way to discover commands that follow a certain pattern. Let's go one step further. If you're looking for a specific type of command, say cmdlets only, you can add the command type parameter. Here, we're searching for all cmdlets that begin with get dash. The command type parameter allows you to filter by cmdlet, function, alias, or application. It's very useful when you want to focus on specific command types. You can also use get command to discover what parameters a cmdlet accepts. For example, let's take a closer look at the get process cmdlet and see what parameters it supports. This shows all available parameters for the get process cmdlet, which is useful for understanding how you can customize a command. You'll see key information like the parameter names, types, and whether they're mandatory or optional. Next, let's move on to get help. This cmdlet is your built-in PowerShell manual. It provides detailed information about any cmdlet, including its description, syntax, and examples. Let's start by getting help on a common cmdlet, get service. One thing to note, PowerShell's help files aren't always installed by default, especially on newer systems. If you get a message saying that help isn't available, you can run the update help cmdlet to download the latest help files from Microsoft. This will ensure you have the most up-to-date documentation. You should periodically update your help files, especially after installing a new version of PowerShell. The detailed parameter provides a more comprehensive view, including parameter descriptions and return values. Here's how to use it. This gives you a much more in-depth explanation of the get service cmdlet, which is useful when you want to fully understand how a cmdlet works. For advanced users, you can use the show window parameter to open a separate help window, which is useful if you want to keep the help open while you work in PowerShell. Another incredibly useful option is the examples parameter. It gives you practical, real-world examples of how to use the cmdlet in various scenarios. This lists out a series of examples, showing you how to get services on your local machine, stop services, and more. It's a great way to quickly learn how to apply a cmdlet. You can even combine get help with out file to save the help information to a text file for later reference. To recap, get command helps you discover commands in PowerShell, while get help teaches you how to use them effectively. Mastering these two cmdlets will make navigating PowerShell a breeze, whether you're a beginner or advanced user. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth PowerShell and sysadmin tutorials.